So when I come back to you now, let's talk about today's life. Let's talk about today's life. Now, when Joseph sowed into the, what they call it, let me say the bandit. What is that thing called, bandit? That jail guy, the guy that was with him in jail. Yeah. So that guy was in jail with him. He gave him a interpretation of his dream. It was a sowing into that guy's life, and the guy who is a influencer, imagine, he's an influencer, TikTok influencer, a Facebook influencer. He has the people. People, when he says something, people believe him. Who is the influencer today in your life? These are the things that Joseph taught us at that time already. To sow into somebody's life. You might see him as bandit. You might see him as somebody who is in jail. But you never know what wealth that person can bring for you. There's a principle that I can actually extract from